Hey guys, all of you have been asking me about Happiest Mind IPO, and a lot of you have been asking, should I actually subscribe? Should I not subscribe? And let me actually tell you guys what has to be done. If you are actually coming here for the first time in YouTube, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you will get the complete details about not only this IPO and lot of information about day-to-day activities, what is happening in the YouTube in the market, and daily I'll be updating you before the market happens. Guys, you can see that today actually the subscription started, and it has got oversubscribed by more than 2.8 times on just the day on. And we have time till day after tomorrow for us to actually apply for that. But allotment, I am really doubtful how much of allotment will happen. The main challenge is the retail investor hardly get around 10% of the investment. Rest of them actually is there only with all the big players in the market, the QIPs, and all the investments, all the big companies actually take out of this. So let's actually look into what happens. All the trading mainly happens with the retail investors, and generally what happens is people who have actually invested, they want to make this quick buck because they may actually get 20-30% returns. Many times actually it could be 100% returns. All those things are possible, and that is the reason why people go. Let's understand what is this Happiest Mind and why actually people are so crazy about this. What is this company all about? Let's actually look into a little more detail about this company. What is this company all about and what is this into? The company has been into a lot of things on the education technology, high technology, high tech industries, on manufacturing, retail, hospitality. A lot of these things, they are actually there. Let us actually look into what are the different things they have, and what are the different technologies they have been adopting. So they have been actually a part of many latest technology, you talk about the blockchain, about the internet of things. You talk about okay, let me just see. Okay, you can see here the analytic internet of things, about the uh, all the cryptocurrency. What we talk about, all the cryptocurrencies are actually a part of something called as a blockchain, and this is actually a part of the blockchain. So they are into almost every other things, and they have got a lot of awards and accolades from a lot many people. So they have been actually ranked as 73 in India's best companies for work in 2020, the best place to work certified 2020 2021, most top 20 most innovative practices. So if you see this, they have a lot of awards which they have won. And why exactly is there so many awards? Who is behind this? This company is being led by one of the most powerful person whom you might have known. His name is Ashok Soota. Ashok Soota was actually a part of Wipro Technologies when the earlier days of IT revolution. He was the one who was actually leading Wipro, and after that actually he along with seven more people actually started Mindtree Technology. All of you might have known about the Mindtree Technologies, and from the past 7 years he is actually heading this My Happiest Minds, and they have been doing phenomenally well, and the board of directors have many more interesting people, and overall the company looks great. They have great clientele. They have close to 150 plus clients across the world, and they have in almost every other segment, which is actually the leading thing in the future. Whatever we are talking about, the future of things which are uh, uh, things like blockchain, data science, DevOps, cloud computing, internet of things, which are all the greatest things which actually are the future. They are into this. So they are in the IT industry, which anyway COVID is not going to affect the IT industry. IT industries have been very robust, as you can see. On top of that, they have been in some of the greatest technologies which are actually taking markets to new highs. Cryptocurrency, all of you have heard about Bitcoin and other things. The technology behind Bitcoins is the blockchain, and now you know that even Facebook is coming out with their own cryptocurrency. Blockchain has gained a lot of momentum. So all these technologies are going to be the future, and the company is into that. So if you talk about the fundamentals of the company has a very strong leadership. Company has a lot of actually futuristic technologies, and this is not a new company. They are actually in the market from the last close to 7-8 years, and they have been actually growing quite good. They have been actually making at least 20-30% growth year on year, which is a phenomenal thing, and they have been backed by a lot of investors across the world. So overall the company has great people involved, and uh, as you can see, people have so much trust in this company that it has got oversubscribed. Now one thing, if you ask me, should I actually invest, should I not invest, what will I do as an investor? So if you ask me personally, I would not do an investment in an IPO. That is my personal reason. I'll tell you the reason why I personally don't do. Guys, I am a technical analyst, and as per technical analysis, we need data to understand where the price is going to go towards. Generally, what we have seen in the market, whenever the IPO comes, IPO could be good, IPO could be great, IPO could be bad, IPO could be a disaster. It could have in either direction. And if the IPO is good, people can easily make, as soon as the IPO happens, 30%, 50% return, maybe 100-200% return also is quite possible. But generally what happens is, most of the companies, since a lot of these retail investors who have actually invested, they have no interest of actually carrying it for a longer duration. They want to cash in on the profits, and most of the time what happens is they will try to cash in on the profits sooner or later, and when they cash in on the profits, the prices will actually come down quite a lot, and you will probably get much better prices than the IPO. This is historically proven. Not only today, you go and check out any IPO which has happened in the history. I've seen this many times. Most of the companies, greatest of the greatest IPOs, after actually price has moved higher, it has also come down. I am more interested to go and buy at that price, because I will be more sensible. I will know exactly what price will be ideal to buy. At this point of time, there's no data point, so I am personally not interested to buy. But if you are actually a short-term trader, short-term investor, want to actually take advantage, it is definitely a good IPO. But you cannot know what actually can happen in the market, because when there is a lot of hype about something, there could be a lot of profit booking also possible, and if that happens, probably prices can also come down. If you want to take the risk, you are always welcome to do that. Overall, if I have to talk about the company is great. If you are a long-term investor, go ahead and actually take up the positions. If you want to take up the positions now or later, this is definitely a good company which you can actually stay invested, and it could definitely be a multi-bagger for you in the future. So if you have liked this video, guys, actually give a like, and actually write something on what kind of videos you want to look for. I will try to make videos on that, and please share this with all your friends, guys, so that let more and more people get benefited with this. Thank you very much. Have a profitable day. Thank you very much.